Hi everyone. This semester I'll be using Twitch to stream online office hours. If you're not familiar with Twitch, it's an online live streaming service most known for streaming video games, but I use it as an educational tool. You can come to twitch.tv/profmelko and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Pick a username and a password, and I'd advise you to pick an anonymous username so that when you chat during office hours, I don't necessarily know who you are. Right? It makes office hours less intimidating. You're free to come and ask whatever questions you have about the class, and I'm not going to know exactly who you are. After you create that account, you can go ahead and click follow so you can get notifications of when I go live with office hours or review sessions. You can view some of my past videos here. Oh look, Saving Schrodinger's Cat. We can watch that one. That sounds interesting. Here's an example of my live stream. This is what we're doing. You can see on the right, there's a bunch of chat. So that's where you participate and ask questions. So go ahead and sign up on Twitch if you don't already have an account. I'll be streaming office hours every week. This includes review sessions for the exam, something you definitely want to take advantage of.